How to make Google Meet show all participants at once. To make Google Meet show all participants at once, you need to manually change your view configuration to the tiled layout and max out the participant slider. By default, Google Meet only displays up to 16 people on your screen, but you can increase this limit to show up to 49 participants simultaneously. And make sure that you have to be on desktop browser. Join your Google Meet session, click the More option icon or the three vertical dots located in the main control toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Select Change Layout from the pop-up menu, click on the Tiled Layout option. At the bottom of the same menu, locate the Tiles slider. Drag the slider all the way to the right until it displays 49. And that is how you can use this feature, guys. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.